Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are. Today, I'm going to teach you how you can resize things easily in Canva. Yes, there's the resize option, but I'm going to show you a workaround, and it's probably something Canva don't want me to tell you. But I've got a nice workaround when it comes to resizing templates and designs in Canva. So let's dive into Canva and let me show you. Okay, if you're following along with the coffee updates for these 24 coffees before Christmas, today's coffee is this one. Don't know how you pronounce that one, Kogarashi. I've got my coffee here. Today's special treat, because I'm a bit late in the day recording this. It's actually 3:30 in the afternoon, but I've just had my shopping delivered. I've got a nice puff pastry mince pie. Anyway, let's dive into Canva and let me show you exactly how you can do this. Here we are, we're in Canva, and this is just a free account. You can tell because it says try Canva Pro. So you can try this and you can use this on your free account to resize images. Now, what I've also done is I've created a blank design that is a Facebook post. You can see here it says untitled Facebook post, whereas this one's an Instagram post. So what we do is we come down and we find the design that we want to use. Let's say we want to use this one, and it's really nicely balanced. You can see that it's kind of like all centralized and it's got really good balance with everything. Really like the colors on this one as well. Really nice image, a really nice template, and this one's a free one. Okay, so now we've got this one. What I want to do is I want to be able to share that on my Instagram and my Facebook. So in order to create a Facebook post, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down to the corner here to this thing called grid view. What we're going to do in grid view here, I'm just going to do Control Copy or Command C if you're on a Mac machine, or Control C if you're on a Windows machine. You can also right click and duplicate it if you wanted to, but you can't copy. If you do Control C on this, and then I come over to this blank template that I've opened up for my Facebook post and do Control V or paste. I'm just gonna delete that top page. You can see now it's actually pasted in the whole page, but with inside my Facebook post. It doesn't quite balance, but I'm going to show you how you can correct that. There's going to be a little bit of correction, even when you use the Resize tool in Canva, which by the way is a great tool and I use it all the time, just one-click resize. Really great option to do that. And if you want to try the actual Resize tool, there's a 45-day trial of Canva down in the comments below. Give that a go. You just do it directly from Canva. You get 14 days now. 14 days to try it if you do it directly on Canva, 45 days if you try it down below. What we're going to do is we're going to come into Canva and we're going to highlight and we're going to select all of the items on this. Now you can do that, or can you do Command A? Yeah, so you can do Command or Control A, and that's going to select all the items in your design as well. And we're going to come up to Group. Now, I'm just going to quickly undo because sometimes you might not see that group item. So let's say these two items here were already grouped. If I do Control A, you see you can't see group here, and that's because there's some level of elements that are actually grouped in your design. Now the way to do that is to come over to this and find any of the elements that are grouped and just ungroup them. I really like that sometimes people group elements. It helps with text flow and things like that sometimes, but it's also can be quite frustrating. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over and you're going to then highlight them all. You can drag over the top, as I say, or once you've got all individual elements, or you can press Command A or Control A, highlight them all, group them. And now once they're grouped, we just come over here and we're just going to hit center and then ungroup. So now we've got the main bit and the text all centered. What we can do if we wanted to, we can highlight these and we can make these a little bit bigger, put them off to the side. Same for these two. So I'm just going to select them two together and make them a little bit bigger. Maybe I want these presents a little bit bigger as well. So I'm just going to highlight just the presents, and I'm not grouping them. I'm just highlighting them all together. And I'm just going to come in and I'm just going to resize them. And there you go. That's how you resize from an Instagram post to a Facebook post for free in Canva. But shh, don't tell Canva I've told you this. The resize option is a premium option. Now, let me show you how that works, how the resize option works in Canva. So let me log out and log back into my pro account and I'll show you exactly how that works. So here we are, we're in Canva. This is the dark mode because on my account I use the dark mode all the time. And if you've not seen about the dark mode or how to find the dark mode, I've done a video on that up here and a couple of other updates that are coming out in the next couple of days. So if you've not seen that video about the new text effects feature and the dark mode, I'll put a link up here and also down in the description below to that feature, because I think you're going to love that. So I've found the same template and it's a Christmas this or that. Okay, so we're in an Instagram post here, and this is how you use the resize feature for pro users in Canva. And you'll notice that now I've not got the crown here, so I can now use this resize option. So I can just click resize, and if I want to resize this to a Facebook post, now there's two options when you click in the resize option or using the resize option. I can simply resize that existing design, and that's just this one click resize, and it'll resize that original design. So your Instagram post will no longer exist. It will become a Facebook post. However, what you can do with the resize option is do copy and resize. And what it does is it's effectively doing in the background what I've just shown you in the free version. But you click copy and resize, and it opens up a new design for you in a Facebook post, and you'll see, there you go. I was worried that all the posts, all the elements weren't going to line up then. But there you go, you'll see it's one click resize when you've got the pro option. You're not having to copy, paste, open up your own thing. It saves you a little bit of time with the resize option in Canva. So have a play about with it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've got any questions about resizing anything or any other features in Canva. Let me know down in the comments below. I really want to help you get better at using Canva. And until next time, thank you very much. Bye for now and enjoy your coffee.